Hello, I saw your question on discussion board about 20.59. You're given this triangle. You'd indicated you had troubles finding angle A. You did find a side B. I went ahead and showed how to do that. You're given two sides and included angles, so you want to use the law of cosines. So B squared equal A squared plus C squared minus 2AC times cosine of B. That's law of cosines. When you're given two sides included angle, you want to use it. So I substitute in the value of A here, 4.28, and C, 5.77, and then angle B, 26.4 degrees. So I squared and summed those, and I got 51.611. I did round off there. Then I multiplied here, I got minus 44.240. And I end up, when I subtract it, I got B squared equals 7.371. We need to take the square root of it, so I get 2.71. So I redrew this with the relevant information. There's B, and these two were given. We want to find angle A, so you want to use all sines. So the sine of A would equal, over its opposite would be 4.28. Would equal sine of B, which is 26.4 over its opposite side, 2.71. So I multiply each side by 4.2, put this in the calculator, I get 0.7022. Take the inverse sine of that, and I got 44.6 degrees. Hope this helps.